Hey guys, just wanted to put this out there before the video starts that we do have that gift card giveaway going on, so you're gonna have to go ahead and hit hashtag gift card in the comments, hit the like button, and be a subscriber. Those are the three rules. So let's go ahead and get onto the 4K webcam video, and I'm gonna show some video footage of the webcam at the end as well. So let's go ahead and
Alrighty,
go
so
to
now
the
that we
unboxing.
got some introductions out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at this 4K camera. I'm getting caught in 4K. 4K, it says supports 4K, 8.3 megapixel camera. If my camera would focus, it'd be great. The best images for meeting or personal calls, auto zoom with bright and clear images, maximum 33.2 megapixel still images, depends on software used. Simple connection, plug and play type that can be used immediately after connecting. So I'm here to bring you the unboxing experience here. 4K HDR, built-in CMOS image sensor, high definition glass lens, 130-degree wide angle lens, stereo digital microphone. I cannot wait to use this on my live streaming at night. So this is going to be amazing. Let's go ahead and get the unboxing knife out. You know how we do. Cut this bad boy open and let's get into it. It says great image quality for online meeting, interviews, business negotiations, seminars, and dinner parties. Great image quality for best impression. Like it says, 130-degree wide angle, high resolution lens with a made in Japan 8.6 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, 6 pieces of glass for astonishing bright and clear images, auto zoom via AI technology, human detection and automatic range calibration make it ideal for meeting and personal calls. This is also going to be awesome when I'm using avatars and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and see what this thing actually looks like inside the box. So, and I will have a link for this down in the description down below. Don't forget to do that, guys. So let's see what we got here. This is nice. Very, very nice. So we have the actual web camera itself. So we got that. Wow, this thing is heavy. Loving it. And then let's go ahead and take a look. Let's take a look at what we get over here, what type of cables we get. So it looks like it uses USB-C to USB-C. And then we also get a USB-C to USB type A. So we're going to go ahead and plug that in right there. This thing is looking sexy. So that is what it looks like in the front there. I will try to put some footage later on of this as well. So these cables are just really phenomenally high quality. Let's see if you get anything else in the box. Yep, I see something else. And let's see, what is this here? This looks like it's going to be some type of mounting bracket. Yep. Or no, actually this is, I know what this is. This is actually a, this goes on the front right there, so you can go ahead and have some privacy when you need to. Go ahead and cover that up. And yeah, guys, this has been the Elecom 4K web camera. Definitely going to have links down below. Stay tuned. We're going to have live streams and demonstrations of this product as well.
Alrighty, guys, and this is the video and voice quality that you can pretty much expect from this 4K um, web webcam. So this is my subject. My kitty Buddha that does not want to cooperate right now. You're supposed to be. Oh, right. So this is what I'm But yeah, so as you can see, this thing will actually zoom in on 130 degree camera. Really zooms out in a lot. So it's really cool if you have like a meeting and it'll actually focus in on the person that's speaking. It'll take a little bit to adjust, obviously, as you can see, but as I move around, even if I like stand up, say I stand up, right? And then it should, see? So sit down, it just perfectly pretty much goes into frame. So it's a really cool web camera. So this, like I said, this is the quality that you can assume. And right there, I believe the price is around $170 right now. So if this is worth $170, that is up to you to decide. I'll leave a link in the description down below to go ahead, snap that up if you'd like. And thank you once again for the company that sent this device out to me to test. And thank you.